Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your new and fresh episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we're talking about how to make money online, how to invest, free way to make money online, how to start your own company online. Yeah, so today I want to show you the three small business that you can start in 2024 without any capital. So the three small businesses you can start without money. And this one you can take it as a full-time or a side hustle, depending on what you are currently doing. Yeah. So no time to waste. The first one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. People will be saying that what is affiliate marketing? So let's search affiliate marketing on Google. What is what is what's affiliate marketing? So a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referral. Yeah, so it means that marketing means that you advertising someone product, and when someone buy the product, choose your link, you will get commission from it. Or you introducing a website or a brand to someone, and when someone register on that platform with through your link, you will get commission from it. So example is like, let me go to let's say let's say like Shopify. Let's go to let's say Shopify affiliate. So when I come to Shopify affiliate, and I'll come to down. I want to show you something. I come to affiliate program. So it means that when I introduce Shopify to people through my affiliate link, and people register through my affiliate link, I will get commission from it. So create a new entrepreneur in more than just commission. So grow your brand with Shopify, access exclusive opportunities, and earn a commission through our referral program. Become a Shopify affiliate. So it means that if you introduce Shopify to people and people register Shopify through your link, automatically you will get a commission from it. So let's say you have been doing videos about Shopify, that Shopify is a very nice store. If you go to Shopify and like if you want to start your own store things, and like they click on your referral link and they register on the platform and they start their online shop through your link, you get commission from it. So that's what we call it, affiliate marketing. So you introducing a brand to people, and this one can be in a form of video. So like let's say if you're a content creator, you can be doing videos and introducing the products to your audience. So when they purchase it or when they register through your link, you get commission from it. So, and this one you don't need any money to do it. You don't need any money to do it. So this one will lead us to our second thing. That's content creating. Content creating like content creating is the major thing that you need to do. So let's assume that if you're a content creator, you can do affiliate marketing. Is that thing? So content creating is a person. So let's search and let's know what is content creation. Who is a content creator? So who is a content creator? Who is a content creator? So content creator produces entertaining, helpful, or educational material that caters to the interests and challenges of a target audience. The content they produce can take many forms, including blog posts, videos, podcasts, photos, and graphics. So it means that content creating means that you creating videos, podcasts, and everything. You see that thing. And one thing about content creating is that you don't need any money to start. All you need is what? Your gadgets. And that's one you can start with your phone. And starting with your phone, because everyone is using a phone and the internet. So you can start doing entertainment news. It can be educative news, a lot, or problem solving materials. So when you do these things, you can monetize this act and be getting money from it. I hope you understand. Yeah, so let's see something. As a YouTuber, you're creating videos, let's say it's a fun, but YouTube too will pay you for the AdSense they put on your videos. So that's why it means that you don't need any money to start. And one thing about content creation is that if you know how to create content, you can start drop shipping, you can start affiliate marketing. Because like, let's say I want to do a video about this product, so I will copy my affiliate link and paste it on my description. So when I do the videos and the video attracts you, you come and click on it and I earn commission from it. Yeah. So that's how affiliate marketing and content creating relate. You see that thing. So and if you don't want to show your face, you can even show your voice. Because right now you can't see my face, but you can hear my voice. And these are all forms of what content creating. You don't need to show your face to create content. You can't hide your face and put your voice out. It's still content. You see that thing? Yeah, and this one you can start without any money. Okay, so you can start creating content on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, X. You see that thing? Yeah, and you doing this content, please make sure that you monetize it. So monetization doesn't mean that. Sorry, doesn't mean that like the platform has to pay you before. Now you can start doing, let's say, brand reviews and things. So let's say you can start doing, let's say, brand reviews, like you reviewing phones. So the more you're doing, the more you're catching the attention of what the phone producers, and they'll contact you and be like, okay, this is our new phone, collect it, do a review about it, after that take it. You can go in a business things with them, everything. So if you're doing this thing, make sure that you are thinking about the business side also. Yeah, because it's business. So don't just do it. Do it as business. And the last on my list, I would say drop shipping. Drop shipping. Drop shipping. Yeah, drop shipping. So the reason why I love drop shipping is that people think that drop shipping is not common in Africa and in Ghana, but it's common. So drop shipping is this. So let's search drop shipping too. What is drop shipping? And please, I have a mentorship and a membership in my description. You can join and I'll show you how you can master all this thing I'm teaching you, that affiliate marketing, content creating, and drop shipping. And we have a lot that we will be teaching in our mentorship. And this one, you have my time and everything. I'll be guiding you 24/7. Yeah. Dropshipper is a person or a business that uses the dropshipping model of buying inventory and fulfillment logistics from a third party instead. So let me show you what dropshipping means. So dropshipping. So let's go to an image and let's see something. So you see here, so drop shipping is like, this is a customer, this is your store and supplier. So this is how you do it. This customer want to buy something from the supplier. So as a dropshipper, you don't need the customer to walk from here to buy the product from the supplier. No, you would take the customer's money and add your own to it, and go to the supplier and pay for that thing the customer need, and come and sell it to the customer, and you get a profit from it. So there's it. So you can set a Shopify store or a seller store. So let's say if I go to Amazon or Jumia and they say that they are selling a bottle or sneaker for, let's say, $100, I'll be like, I'll come to my platform, that Shopify, or my personal website, that I'm selling a bottle for, let's say, $120, and I'll be promoting that brand. So when someone sees the product and purchases it, 120 cities, though I don't have the product physical, so I will take the $120 and use the $100 to go to Shopify or Amazon or Jumia and buy that product for the customer. So it means that I have free $20 as what interest. And this one don't need any profit, or don't need any capital or any money or anything to start. So you see, so let's say a customer needs something from Amazon. That thing is in your store, and you have to promote it for the customer to see it. So the customer will buy it at your own price. It's that thing at your own price. So maybe that product on your website is $100, but you putting that product on your website, you have price tag it $120. So it means that if the person buy that product from your website, automatically you have $20 profits, and you use that $100 to go to, let's say, the different stores and buy that something in the name of that customer you have. So it means that after that, Amazon or Jumia will deal with the customer straight, because you use the customer details to purchase that thing from Amazon. This is it. If I set my website and I'd be like, okay, I'm selling, let's say, a sneaker. I'm selling, let's say, this sneaker. Let's say, I'm selling, let's say, a sneaker. Let's say a sneaker. Let's say I'm selling a sneaker. So let's say I'm selling this thing. This thing. This thing can be, it's on different website too. They are selling it, but I can capture it and post it on my website and be like, I'm selling this thing for this price. So when you buy this thing and you pay me, I will use I'll remove my profits from it and use the remaining balance and purchase the hymns for you. And I'll purchase this hymns in your name. So it means that right now you're not dealing with me again, but you're rather dealing with what? The original store. So that's how dropshipping works. But if you join my mentorship, I will explain everything and I'll coach you and direct you for you to make your sales online. Yeah, so I think I'm done, and thank you for watching me. And please don't forget to subscribe, and I'm out. Thank you.